Hello students, welcome to B.Tech 360. We've been doing a series of videos trying to help you understand how to use your JEE main rank to get into one of the NIITs, IIITs or IITs, right? Of course, IITs is JEE advanced, but the way you can use the score, because you've done the hard work, you got a score in your hand that will lead to a rank in your hand, and that rank you must use it wisely to make those choices, the complex choices between a good college in a not too good branch and a very good branch but in moderate college. And I'm limiting myself to IITs, NIITs, IIITs and GFTIs, which is the government funded technical institutes. I'm not going beyond that. So within these things also, you must remember that while you are actually everything is a public institution, not every college is delivering the outcome that is required. And at the same time, not every branch is delivering the outcome that is required, even though it's a part of the best engineering college that you have in the country, right? So what we're going to work on now is the IIIT category wise highest closing rank for B.Tech in Mathematics and Computing. Before I move further, please subscribe to B.Tech 360 if you've not already done that. It's very important for you to know, for us to know that you're actually supporting us, watching us, and actually we're able to help with the data for you to take a more optimal choice of your own, right? Now, and the other thing that I would want to tell you, because we're talking about B.Tech in Mathematics and Computing, in the age of AI, this particular course will be high in demand. I'm surprised when I looked at the highest closing cutoff ranks here that it is so high. Moving forward, in my assumption, in the next 3-4 years, anything that is B.Tech with mathematics would be much in demand, because in the age of AI, this is what will work for you a lot more than learning computer systems and those kind of things, right? Computer science and all. So from that perspective, keep a very close eye on that. This might be a far better choice at times before you go on to any other branch. Maybe if you get CS, you can still take it and all, but mathematics is a very in-demand branch. You will learn a lot more and it will still be much more in demand moving forward, because it's going to be the foundational thing for everything that you're going to do moving forward in your life, right? So now, just to put things in context for you, there are 26 IIITs that we have in the country, right? And these 26 IIITs have 9,940 seats, of which the open category seats are 3,959, EWS is 920 seats, OBC NCL is 2,513 seats, SC is 1,404 seats, and ST is 713 seats. So that's the numbers that you have, the total number of seats that you have, which is 9,940, right? But only 4 colleges at this point in time offer this branch called Mathematics and Computing. Only 4 IIITs offer this particular branch called, Mathematics and Computing. And we're going to talk of the highest closing cutoff rank of JEE Main based on 2025 data, so that you exactly know what are your chances of getting into any of these branches. So to help all of you understand the rank and what kind of branches you will get in based on the rank that you already have in your hand, Career 360 has created a product which is College Predictor. In the College Predictor, all you need to do is to put in your percentile. It first gives you a rank based on the algorithm that's at the back end, and then once you deal with that, the exam shift and these kind of details, it tells you what are the colleges that you're likely to get based on the rank that you have, and indifferent of the branch. You can also choose the branch and say, I also only want to study this particular branch, and it will tell you what are the colleges that will get you admission based on the rank and the branch that you're choosing. You can also choose it, filter it down to the city and the state and all those kind of things, public and private, all those things you can do that. All I'm saying is, please use the College Predictor, because it gives you a most accurate information based on last year's admission cycle. The highest closing cutoff that you had last year at a round level, which is round 1, round 2, round 3, and the mock rounds and everything. You will actually get exact data based on 2025 data of based on your rank that you are getting, which college you'll get in. And if you want a particular branch only, it will also tell you that. If you want to study only in a few states, it will also tell you that, right? So use that, because it gets you the best view of how you can use your rank to get into the best college or course of your choice. The first one is IIIT Bhopal. IIIT Bhopal, the highest closing rank for open category is 33,940, right? For the EWS category, it's 5,188. For OBC NCL category, it is 13,796. SC category is 9,185, and ST category is 5,246. Now let's put things in context. When you say 33,940, what's the kind of percentile? If you have 15 lakh students appearing for the examination, right, you're essentially dealing with a 97.7 percentile or 97.6 percentile. So in my opinion, this year you might need to have more than 98 percentile to be here, because this, as I told you, this branch would be in demand, and because of which the demand the more meritorious students will keep preferring this branch before they move on to any other branch, which is the EEE, the EEE and those kind of things. So keep a watch on this. The numbers that I'm showing here is last year's numbers. This year it can be very competitive, and so to that extent, the rank will come down because it's more competitive and more students are seeking it out. In IIIT Ranchi, 418,831 is the highest closing cutoff rank last year. For EWS category is 6837, OBC NCL is 16,807, SC category is 9609 and ST category is 5391. For IIIT Raichur in Karnataka, 43476 is the open category, EWS is 6761, OBC NCL is 16,955, SC is 10,240 and ST is 4836. In IIIT Bhagalpur, 45422 is the highest closing cutoff rank for open category. 6661 is for EWS category. 17295 is for OBC NCL. SC is 10,586 and ST is 5397. My opinion, moving forward in the current year, you will actually see a few more institutions which are offering this mathematics and computing. So from 4 you might actually jump to 6 or 7 is my opinion. But the closing cutoff rank, highest closing cutoff rank here would be more competitive. So unless you get about 35,000 and all, it will be difficult for you to get into this, because increasingly people have realized that this is a branch that people will be seeking out. I'm not saying that this year itself it will start competing with CSE, though in some of the IITs it's already competing with CSE in terms of the kind of demand that they have. So keep a watch on this particular branch. If you get it in any other good NITs, IIITs and all, grab it, because this will be much in demand and that's what we'll do, right? And over a period of time, we'll do many other branches also. If you want me to cover any other branch of your choice, message me in this particular message box. I'll try to cover it. My research team will continue to cover that. And please subscribe to B.Tech 360. Thank you.